So if you're trying to connect your Wix domain to Hostinger, so the best way to do this is, firstly, go to your Wix, like open up your Wix Studio, and then from there, go to settings. On your left side menu here, click on settings. And from there, you will see there is an option called domains. So click on these and then copy the domain that you want to like connect. So just click on it, copy that. And once you copy that domain, now go to Hostinger. So enter your Hostinger account. So just go to your Hostinger account, and then from there on your left side menu here, you will see there's a domain option. So click on the domain option, and here you will see there's an option called transfer domain. All you have to do is click on transfer domain, and here just paste the domain that you want to connect, which is Wix in this case, and then hit on transfer. And this process actually requires you to make a payment for it. So you just have to make the payment, and then once you have to make the payment and once you have authorized the transfer, then within a few days your domain will now be transferred or connected to Hostinger. And this is actually the best and easy way to do it, especially for long-term management. Hope the video helps.